Una settimana di lavoro intenso, obiettivo i quarti di finale di Challenge Cup contro gli inglesi dell'Exeter. Big match domenicale con uno stadio di Monigo da 6.300 posti, posta in gioco altissima per il Benetton che sulla Coppa ha puntato molto in questa stagione. Per il mediano d'apertura bianco-verde Jacob Umaga sarà importante scendere in campo con lo stesso approccio di sabato scorso contro il Cardiff.
Yeah, we know that they're a strong squad. They start pretty quick, so for us, very similar to how we started against Cardiff. We want to start quick, get as many points or opportunities early on, so that we can really put pressure on them, especially at Monigo. Like we want the crowd behind us, so we can start as strong as possible.
Di fronte una delle squadre più forti d'Inghilterra, quarta in campionato, i Leoni del Benetton non dovranno sbagliare nulla.
Exeter are a very well presented team. They run hard, they carry hard, they defend very well. A team I've played against a lot when I was in England, so I know a lot of their players. I know how they like to play. So we can expect a physical battle, especially in the forwards. And then they've got some very dangerous wingers that we're very, very wary of. Manny Favoboso for one of them. So yeah, they've got threats all across the line.
E dunque massima attenzione a ogni dettaglio.
So for us, I think building from the Cardiff game, our discipline, we need to be better at. These are small details in big games which can lead into access into our 22, which they can convert into points. So discipline is a main point that we're definitely wary of.
Preparazione fisica e mentale per i biancoverdi che potranno contare sul sostegno del pubblico di casa, una sfida da dentro o fuori ad altissima adrenalina.
I think the main thing is that we enjoy it. We're at home for another game. Playoff rugby is very hard, but it's the best time. It's one where you make memories. So we're hoping for some good memories at Monigo on Sunday. But I just want them to go out and enjoy themselves and express themselves as much as possible.